Hey guys, in this video, I'll share with you how to free up disk space on your Mac. After using it for a while, our Macs definitely need a cleanup. If you prefer not to use third-party apps, these are the exact steps I usually follow. First, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of the screen and select System Settings. Next, under the General Settings, click on the Storage menu. Give it a moment for the system to calculate your storage. Looking at the top, you'll see the total free space remaining on your Mac. Now, pay attention to the list of categories displayed below. You'll know exactly which items are taking up the most space. First up is Applications, which is where your installed apps are stored. You can click the eye icon next to it and sort by size. If there are any apps you don't use anymore, just right-click them and select Delete to remove them. For average users, you can skip the developer section. The most important one is Documents. Go ahead and click the info icon here. In the first tab, the system will list all the large files on your machine. You can delete them directly from here, or select a file and click Show in Finder to open it up in Finder. Then, right-click and choose Move to Trash to delete it. Moving over to the Downloads tab, this folder contains the files you've downloaded from the internet. You can open this folder in Finder by accessing Downloads from the left sidebar or by going to the Go menu and selecting Downloads. If they aren't important anymore, just select them all and delete them. For a more effective cleanup, I recommend browsing by folder by switching to the File Browser tab. Here, the folders on your Mac will be displayed along with their specific sizes. This gives you a clear visual on which folders contain the heaviest files. For example, my Screen Studio folder is taking up 7 GB. You can click Show in Finder and decide whether you want to delete it or not. You can keep browsing, select files right in this window, right-click, and choose Move to Trash. When you're finished, hit Done. Typically, this Documents section takes up quite a bit of space, so you should prioritize dealing with the files here. Scrolling down, you'll see the Trash section. To empty the trash quickly, while your mouse cursor is in a Finder window, simply press Shift-Command-Delete, then select Empty Trash, and all the files in there will be completely wiped. Finally, if the System Data section shows it's taking up too much space, keep in mind that this data is scattered across various locations and is generated as you use your apps. I advise against trying to manually delete these, as it can easily cause system errors. Usually, when you restart your Mac, the size of system data will automatically go down. And that's how to find and delete large, unused files and folders to free up storage on your Mac. Perfect for anyone who doesn't want to use third-party software like Clean My Mac. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.